Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you how to make map animation in 2 minutes. So follow the step by step tutorial. So how to make this type of map animation in 2 minutes. So to make this you have to go to one of your browser. So from the browser you have to go to Canva, canva.com, and from the Canva you have to go to video and landscape video, and then you have to click on apps, and here you have to search map video. So first one map video. So I will make 10-second video. So first one, select and select 10 seconds, and then select the plane. So I will select this plane. So where my map will show, so I will show Brazil, or you can select any country. I will select Brazil to Bangladesh. So and then add flag fill, add text. So create video, click on create. So this is creating the video, successfully created the video. So if I play this video, so thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.